Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? In mathematics, we are going to start subtraction today. Subtraction is something like you can understand subtraction in this way that if we are having if you have 4 pencils and 2 pencils you have lost, how many pencils are left now? 2 pencils are left. This is subtraction, okay? Similarly, if you are having 5 candies and you have eaten 3 candies, how many candies are left now? Out of 5, 3 you have eaten. How many are left? Yes, 2 candies are left. And similarly, if you are having 6 toys and if your 3 toys are broken, then how many toys are left now? Out of 6, 3 are broken. Yes, 3 are left. Similarly, you can also ask addition questions from your parents or from your siblings, and you can just enjoy it as a game also. Okay. And if we talk about your book, I have opened page 7 here, and in this page, for your subtraction, they have given a number line at the top. This is called number line, and number from 1 to 10 are given here, and you can use this line for the solution of subtraction questions. How you can use it, in addition you also have used this, but it's a little bit different from addition, that in addition you were moving onward, but in subtraction you will move backward. Like how you will move, like if we talk about a part, it's 7 minus 5. What you will do, you will come to the number 7, you will come at number 7 and you will move 5 steps backward. You will jump 5 steps backward. If you will take one step from 7 to 6, then from 6 to 5, then 5 to 4, then 4 to 3, and then from 3 to 2. These are 5 steps. And what will be the answer now? Answer will be 2. Okay. I also have, look here, how I have used this number line. Look here, from number 7 I have jumped at 6, then at 5, then at 4, then at 3, then at 2. And what is the answer now? Answer is 2. In this way you can use number line to solve your subtraction sums. It's easy now? Yes, it is easy. Similarly, if we talk about question number 2, or sorry, B part in question 1, the question is 8 minus 4, or you will subtract 4 from 8. Okay, how you will do it? You will come at number 8 in number line, and then how many steps you will go backward? Yes, you will move 4 steps backward, or you will jump 4 steps backward. Okay, and then what will be the answer? If you are at 8 and you will jump 4 steps, from 8 to 7 one step, from 7 to 6 second step, from 6 to 5 third step, and then 5 to 4 is the fourth step. Now at what number I am? I am at number 4. And what will be the answer? Yes, answer will be 4. And you will write 4 in the box which is given in front of this question. Simple now? Similarly, the C part is very easy. You have to subtract 1 from 8. You will simply come to the number 8 and you will just jump one step backward. If you will jump one step backward from 8, at what number you will be? Yes, you will be at number 7. And what will be the answer? 7 will be the answer. It's very simple. And if we talk about the last question in question number 1, sorry, last part, which is H part, GH. If we talk about H part, it's 10 minus 7. If we use number line, at what number you will, from which number you will start? From number 10. And how many steps you will go backward? Yes, 7 steps you will go backward, or you will jump 7 steps backward. From 10 to 9, then you will jump from 9 to 8, then you will jump from 8 to 7, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will jump 7 steps and I will come at number 8. Sorry, number 3. From 10 to 7 step backward, I will come at number 3, and 3 will be the answer here. And like I also have before, I have told you in addition that you can write addition questions horizontally and vertically also, and same in case of subtraction. You can write subtraction sum horizontally as they have written in question 1, and you can also write subtraction sums vertically as they have written in question number 2. the the procedure will be the same, or the solution and the way in which you solve the sums will be the same. Like 4 minus 1, simply you can use the number line. You will come at number 4, you will just jump one step backward, you will come at number 3, and then 3 will be the answer. Look here, I have used here the number line. And I also have solved one more question here for your guidance. The question is 8 minus 4. Then you can use number line. You will start from number 8. How many steps you will go backward? Yes, you will go 4 steps backward. One step, 7, then 6, second step, then 5, third step, and then 4 is the fourth step. Okay, it's the fourth step. And what will the answer? 4 will be the answer. Hope you have understood. Now again come to the question page number 7, and if we talk about the last question, 9 minus 4, at which number you will come here? Yes, you will come at number 9. How many steps you will go backward? You will go 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. At what number you will be now? Yes, you will be at number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, you will start from 9 to 4 step backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will be at number 5. And what will be the answer now? Answer will be 5. Now you can solve this page by yourself easily, I'm sure. Okay. And this page is your task. Please do this page by yourself. Allah Hafiz.